So I need a new vacuum cleaner, and I picked up the Levoit cordless vacuum cleaner over here. I love the fact that it's cordless, always number one in when I need vacuum cleaners. So we're gonna unbox it, take a look what's inside, test it out, go through all the features, and frankly figure out if this is a great vacuum cleaner or not. First, we're unboxing it. Everything is packed very nicely in the box, and everything has its own compartment, and everything is safe in its own compartment in there. We're going to go through them one by one. Make sure to stay to the end because we're going to actually do a serial and t-test to see if it picks it all up. So these are all the pieces that come with it, and it also has a detachable battery in there, and you have a manual so you can figure everything out. We can start with a motor at the top that also includes the battery and any filter. Then we have here the long stick that you're going to put on the body. And then the second piece that attaches in the middle over here. I'm going to show you exactly how to attach all of them. Then we have the vacuum head here that has a lot of great features, including a removable roller, lights, and all that good stuff on there. And then we move on to the attachments. They have some good attachments in there. This is a cervical tool here, including some brushes in it. And then they have the 2-in-1 pet tool where you can actually remove that brush off the top of the head. I'll show you in a little bit how to do that. We also have the charger over here. This is what you're going to charge your battery with. It also comes with a wall mount so that you can actually hang it up right through there, and the screws that you would need to use to actually hang it up. So to put it together is actually going to be very easy. You're just going to snap those few pieces together. This one has 2 holes over here that actually fit into this piece right here. So it only took me a few seconds to snap everything together. So the white pieces that you push to open or release anything in the vacuum are all going to be facing the front on the same side as that piece of paper right on it that shows you how to do it over there, and everything's going to snap together. I love the feature on this vacuum that it does stand on its own. You're not going to worry about it toppling over, and you can see the buttons up here. It has an eco turbo button and your power button right up top on there. Let's take a look at the features while the vacuum is on. I did lower the sound for this. It is a little bit louder, but it's not as loud as other vacuums. So this is how much the battery has charged in it. It does come a little bit charged, but charge it right away before you use it so that it is at full charge. It does have a light on it that's going to make it a lot easier for you to see any debris on the carpet that needs to be cleaned. That's a great feature that's not currently on mine. This is a removable battery, so you can actually charge it on its own, or you can have a replacement battery, but this specific battery will get you up to 50 minutes runtime depending on whether you're using eco or turbo. So just plug it into the battery and then into a socket when you want to charge it. It's going to take about 4 hours to fully charge the whole thing, and it's going to last for 15 minutes on eco or turbo depending. I love the fact that it is detachable, so if I want to get a spare battery and still clean while this one's charging, I can do that. It does come with 1 battery, but you can always get a second one if you choose to. And frankly, it lasts long enough for me not to have to, but just in case. Another great feature that it has is that actually you can clean that roller by being able to removable. It is removable, so the way you remove it is you press that button right there and you are going to turn it and pull it out. Once you have it out, you can wash it, let it dry, and then put it back in, and you have a clean roller that you can use very easily. You can empty it out. You're just gonna press on this and remove it. And just like anyone else, a couple of taps in there to get everything out. Close it back up. So to remove the actual dustpan from the vacuum, I'm getting all dirty here, you just need to press on this and remove it right here. And that at this time is going to give you access to all the filters that may need to be changed or cleaned out. So you can just rinse them out, dry them, and re-put them once they're dry, and they're going to be all nice and clean when you do that. So that's where the filters actually are. And then when you're done, just replace it right back in there. Just replace it right back in there, and you are ready to go. All right, so we're going to test out some cereal and some tea over here. Now, you know, if you have kids, this is a normal mess that you'd be making and will definitely have to clean up on a regular basis. I did lower the sound for your protection, and here it is, just picking up everything on the carpet so easily. This is definitely a great vacuum, and it's going to make things a lot easier. And with the attachments, you can actually clean high and low, do corners, do couches, everything. I think this is going to be a great addition to our cleaning system over here, and definitely this is a thumbs up, and I'll be back later with another review of it once I've used it more.